But that is the offering that the client needed at the time when something happened in their life. We offer the same thing for AI services. And the best example I can give is there's two types of plumbers. I'm sure there's like 100 types of plumbers, but in my example, there's two. There's somebody that I can call at midnight and say, hey, the water broke. Can you be here tomorrow morning? And they're like, sure, $1,500. I'll show up in the morning. I'll fix whatever you got. And so you pay that money and you get that person there. There's another type of plumber that I can call and say, hey, my water broke. And they'll say, hey, I'll be there in 2 weeks. It'll be $300. And depending on your scenario, you might not have that big of a leak. And you say, great, $300 sounds like a
Yeah.
great scenario here. I'll put some duct tape around it or shut the pipe up and wait for you to show up. But if you have a lot of water on the floor, you need that plumber there the next day, that service offering that he has, that he answered the phone at midnight, because I bet you that other plumbing company does not answer the phone. They only work from 8 to 5. They schedule 2 weeks out. That's their service model. And they're cheaper and they get the job done. But that is the offering that the client needed at the time when something happened in their life. We offer the same thing for AI services. We are that AI like consultancy where you get top level product managers that are going to train the people that are using the product on how to use an AI product, or sometimes not even an AI product, an AI workflow automation that has nothing to do with AI, but solves your digital transformation problem. So we have the product managers to do that. We have to hire them and train them, and they're elite. They're go through a lot of experience to get where they are. Then we have PhD level engineers that are phenomenal at communicating, at understanding, at seeing the problem and then saying, this is how we should solve it the easier way. Not the way that like AI tells us to solve it for,
Yeah.
but this is more deterministic. This gives better results. This is how we've solved it for 20 years.